Hi friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. Chatgpt is an AI chatbot that generates human-like responses to text input. OpenAI Chatgpt has amassed over 1 million users since it was released to the public on November 30th, 2022. OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company. What is Chatgpt? Chatgpt is a new AI chat tool from OpenAI that uses the latest advancement in natural language processing and machine learning to generate intelligent and engaging responses to user input. Chatgpt is based on powerful GPT 3.5 series of language learning models and interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for Chatgpt to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and rejects inappropriate requests. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and this is a machine learning model that relies on deep learning techniques to produce human-like text based on inputs. It is trained using a machine learning technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback. ChatGPT is currently available on OpenAI's website. Key difference between chatbots and search engine. The difference between search engines and chatbots is that search engines have short memory when providing results, whereas chatbots can have persistent long-term memory as well as provide task execution. Chatbots have an advantage in being able to provide personalized and more accurate results based on persistent historical interactions. In contrast, search engines have a minimal level of personalized results based on previous searches. There are also some limitations of ChatGPT. First, maybe ChatGPT may occasionally generate incorrect information. Second, you may say that ChatGPT may occasionally provide harmful interactions or biased contents. Limited knowledge of the world or events after the year 2021. Friends, it is said that ChatGPT will take the place of Google, and so far its feature is better than Google, and that's why the importance of ChatGPT has been increasing day by day in all parts of the world. And in coming days, ChatGPT will change many things. I mean, many people, many news anchors, authors, writers, they may become unemployed. So there are also so many drawbacks of ChatGPT. However, this is a new technology and people like it very much because it is very helpful for the people. And if you use ChatGPT, obviously you will also like very much. I have used, and when first time I used, really I wondered and I like it very much. So you should also watch ChatGPT, or you can also raise any questions from ChatGPT. Thank you friends. Bye. See you again.